Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
So today we have a beautiful BMW i8 with us, and it's a hybrid. So I just want to show you some things that how this car works. I think it's going to be useful for you guys to know. So here's the key. It has an open button, close, and open the trunk. So for you guys to get in the car, there is a button over here under the door. You just press it and the door is going to go up and you can get in. In here, I want to show you guys how some media functions and some of the AC controllers. I think it's going to be very useful for you guys to know. Moving on forward. So for you guys to start the car on, apply the brake and press start stop. So for you guys then to put it in drive, you press this button on the side and pull it down and you're on drive. Then if you want to put it in sport, just shift it on the left and you're going to switch from battery to gas, so the car is going to go faster. As well, this function works if you're out of battery and you want to charge it up, drive for some time on sport and your battery is going to charge up. Then if you want to go back to electric, shift it back and you're going to switch back to battery. For you guys to then go back to the reverse, press the side button and go all the way up, you're back in the reverse. To put it back in park, just tap the parking button. So here we have our media controls. You control your screen with this. You tap menu, you will see all the options of radio, vehicle, everything like this. If you want to go straight to media, just press media button. If you want to go back to menu, press back. If you want navigation, press on the map. And the way you control it, it's either you circle this button around and tap on it, or you can as well use the touch screen sensor because it's a touch screen. So here is how you switch to media. You just press on the media button. You can connect your phone via USB device connect, or you can as well connect it through Bluetooth. Then if you want navigation, you switch it to map. If you want to go back, just press the back button. If you want to go back again, press it again. Here as well, you have all the options of media, vehicle, everything like this is on your screen. And here you have all the control of the temperatures. Here's how you control the temperature, where the air is going, the strength of the air, and the same exact thing on the right side. As well, you can also sync through here. So for you guys to open up the roof, there's a button under here, and you just apply the brake and press it, and the roof is going to open, and keep on holding it until it completely opens. And for you guys to close it back down, lift the button up and keep holding it until it fully closes. So here we have some of the steering wheel controls. On the right side, you have volume controls, as well as if your phone is connected to Bluetooth, you can hang up the phone or insert the phone with this button. Here you can use voice control. On the left side, you have your cruise control. You can set it, reset, or control it via this button. Here we have our windshield wipes. You control it with this button, tap it once. Again, the speed, everything, you control it over here. On the left, we have our trunk opening button, windows down and up, as well as your mirror, side mirror controllers. You can control it by setting it to the left and controlling with those directions. Then tap it back on the right, you're going to control the right one. And as well as this button is to open up the gas tank. So for you guys to open up the roof, you just tap this button and lift it up. So here we have our light controls. Here it's on 0. If you want to put it on auto, just shift it up. If you want a little bit of light, this one is parking lights. And there is a full-on light. I'd rather keep it on auto. So here we have a compartment to fill up the gas. This is for actual gas because the electronic compartment is on the other side. You just simply tap it and it opens for you. And here we have a compartment to charge the battery. So you just simply tap it as well and open it.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!